Hey guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to take screenshot in laptop on Windows 11 or 10. So guys, there are two ways, mainly if you're doing the native method inside of Windows without using third-party applications to take a screenshot. First one being just using the snipping tool from, for example, your start menu or from your taskbar or something. But firstly, I'm going to show you the very fast way to make a screenshot. So there is actually a very simple one button click that you can perform to make a screenshot easily, which is actually on the print screen button on your keyboard. So I'll just do it now. So I will press FN. I have an FN button on my keyboard, never mind. And F12, which is the print screen, like that. And as you can see, now this little interface appears where you can either snip a photo, which is a screenshot, and also record a video. And guys, as you can see, I am now in the setting for capturing a window, which you can choose in here. So there are various ways of capturing a screenshot. You can just draw a rectangle, you can choose a window, you can perform a full screen screenshot, or freeform. So this will basically be you can just draw your map around and make a screenshot of whatever element on your screen. So for example, if I want to take a full screen screenshot, I go here, and then I press full screen, and bam, now my screenshot is ready. So as you can see, this is the screenshot. Now if I want to save it, I press on this button, choose the path where to save it, and save it onto my computer. So in order to be able to do it with a simple hotkey, just type in print screen like this, and choose this use print screen key to open screen capture. Go here, and make sure to enable it. And make sure to enable it from here, because by default, for some reason, they do not enable this feature. It's going to be disabled by default. Just enable it, and from there, you can just capture screenshot easily like this. Also, if you want to do it manually like this, you can open up the snipping tool from your Windows. Just type in on Start Snipping Tool, then press on New. And as you can see, this is the same way, right? Only just not pressing on the print screen button. And you can take a screenshot. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, if it was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.